This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Rear shock absorber renewal. Chock the front wheels, then slacken the rear wheel nuts. Position the head of the jack under the rear axle crossbeam, then raise the vehicle and support it on axle stands, located under the reinforced jacking point on each side. Remove the rear wheels. Using a trolley jack, raise the rear trailing arm until the shock absorber is slightly compressed. From inside the luggage compartment, remove the cover in the side trim panel for access to the shock absorber upper mounting. Where fitted, remove the cap over the upper mounting nut, then unscrew the nut. Use a second spanner to hold the shock absorber piston rod as the mounting nut is unscrewed. You will need to replace the mounting nut with a new nut when fitting the new shock absorber. Remove the dished washer and upper mounting rubber bush from the top of the shock absorber. Slacken the shock absorber lower mounting bolt retaining nut and then withdraw the bolt, disengaging the lower part of the shock absorber from the trailing arm. Withdraw the shock absorber from under the rear of the vehicle. Collect the distance tube, mounting rubber bush and dished washer from the shock absorber upper mounting, as well as the rebound rubber and cover. Fit the rebound rubber and cover over the piston rod, followed by the dished washer, mounting rubber bush and distance tube. The dished washer should be fitted with its concave side towards the mounting rubber bush. Offer up the top of the shock absorber into its upper mounting location, then refit the mounting rubber bush and dished washer. Again, the dished washer should be fitted with its concave side towards the mounting rubber bush. Fit the new retaining nut and tighten by hand at this stage. Align the damper lower mounting with the trailing arm and refit the lower mounting bolt. Fit the nut, also tightening it by hand at this stage. Fit the wheels, tighten the nut slightly, lower the car and tighten the nuts to the specified tool. With the vehicle on its wheels, in the normal ride height position, tighten the upper and lower shock absorber mounting bolts or nuts to the specified tool. On completion, refit the cover to the interior side trim panel.